Class 9 students, today I'll start exercise 2.4, question number 4, middle term break. So, factorization by middle term break. So, how can you do middle term break? Process I'll explain first. In middle term break, you multiply the first term and last term. First term is 12 and last term is 1. 12 and 1. Multiply it. Whatever you will get, you factorize it. 12 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. So 12 is factorized to the factors 2 2 3 1, 2 2 3 1. Now you write this line here, 12x square minus bracket you give, you don't write the number here, x plus 1. Now from these factors we'll make two groups. One is suppose this one, another is suppose this one. 2 and another group. You have to multiply the factors of one group. 2 3 are 6, 6 1 are 6. Now 6 and another group is 2. Now you add or subtract the two groups. 6 plus 2 equal 8, not 7. Leave it. 6 minus 2 equal not 7. Leave it. Now change the group. Now I will make this one group and this one group. 2 2 are 4, 3 1 are 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I'll write here 4 plus 3. Now 12x square minus 4x minus plus minus 5x plus 1. Now you take common 4x from these two terms. Means whatever you can take common from these two terms, you have to take common. And again these two terms. Now from here you can take common. 4 3s are 12. So 4 you can take. 4 1s are 4. 4 you can take common. How many x are there? 2. How many x are there? 1. So 1x you can take common. So remaining term will be thrice x minus 1. How? If you multiply it, you will get this one. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. X into x square. Minus 4x into 1 minus 4x. From these two terms now you see. From these two terms there is no common. So you can take common 1. And in the third term, what is there? What sign is there? That sign you have to take common. So minus 1 I will take common. If you take minus 1 common, the remaining term will be thrice x minus 1. How? Minus 1 into thrice x. Minus 1 into thrice x equal minus thrice x. Minus minus plus 1 1 is 1. So you will get 1 here. Now from these two terms, thrice x minus 1, thrice x minus 1, you take common. And this one 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. This is the factor. Now come to the question number 2. Twice x square plus 7x plus 3. So you multiply first and last term. First and last term 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Now factorize it. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So factors of 6 are 2 3 1. Now you write twice x square plus, give bracket, don't write anything, x plus 3. Now make two group here. This one group, this one group. 2 and 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 not equal 7. 3 minus 2 not equal 7. Change the group. Because we should get 7. 2 3s are 6 and this one 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Here you write 6 plus 1. Twice x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. From these two terms, whatever you can take common, you see. 2, here also 2 is there. Why 2 3s are 6? Now you can common 2 from these two terms. 2x square, 2 into 3 6. So 2 is there, 2 is there. From how many x are there? 2. How many x is there? 1. From these two terms, you can take x also common. So twice x you can take common. Remaining term will be x plus 3. So twice x into x equal twice x square. Twice x into 3 equal 6x. Now from these two terms, what you can take common? There is no common. So you can take common 1. Remaining term will be x plus 3. Now from these two terms, x plus 3 you can take common. The remaining term will be twice x here plus 1. Twice x plus 1. So x plus 3 whole in twice x plus 1. This is the factor. Now come to the question number 4. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Multiply first and last term. When you multiply first and last term, then you will get 36. So 6 and 6 equal 36. Factorize it. When you factorize 36, you will get these factors. 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. You make two group now. First you write 6x square plus 5, no need to write anything. X minus 6. We have to make 5. Now you make this one group. One this one, another group this one. 2, another is 2 3 is 6, 6 is 18, 18 1 is 18. 18 plus 2, not equal 5. 18 minus 2, not equal 5. I will change the group. This one group, this one another group. In one group, already I told you have to multiply the factors. 2 to the 4. Another 3 is a 9, 9 1 is a 9. 9 minus 4 equal 5. So I will write here 9 minus 4. 6x square plus 9 minus 4 bracket x minus 6. Therefore 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. From these two terms, what you can take common? Here 6 means 2 3 is 6, 2 and 6. It has two factors 2 and 6. 9 means 3 3 is 9. It has two factors 3 and 3. So 3 you can take common from the both terms. And how many x are there? 2x, 1x. So 1x you can take common. So 3x you can take common. If you take 3x common, it will be twice x plus 3. Why? 3 2 is 6, x into x, x square plus 3 3 is 9, x, 9x. From these two terms, what you can take common? Minus 2. When you take common minus 2, it will be twice x plus 3. Why? How minus 2? Here minus sign there, here also minus sign there. So easily we can take common minus sign. So 4 means 2 into 2. 6 means 2 into 3. So minus 2 in the both terms will get. So minus 2 will we can take common. Remaining will be twice x plus 3. If you multiply again, minus 2 into 2 minus 4x plus minus plus minus 2 3 is 6. So we will get again this expression. Now from this expression and from this expression, if you see nicely, then twice x plus 3, twice x plus 3 you can take common. Same term, same expression. A remaining term thrice x here minus 2. So thrice x minus 2. So this is the factor of this polynomial. This is called factorization. Factorization is the product of the smaller part of the polynomial or number.